saw in the intro of the video, I have a beautiful one for you today from OmgHerHair. What I'm doing now is I'm digging deep in the recesses of my beauty drawer. It is very full. I need my stuff in one central location. I had to dig up my water bottle because I had to hide it from that child. Let me tell you something. I did not think through having two daughters. These girls and their hair is always thirsty, always taking my stuff. I got to hide my stuff sometimes. And it still winds up in her room. I grew up on Inspector Gadget, girl. I'm gonna find it. So listen, can I be honest with you for a minute? These 3D dome cap wigs, I've seen a couple of videos about the girlies wearing them. You can check them out on YouTube. They're all over the place, right? This is the best, and I don't want to be disrespectful to this company because I love OmgHerHair. It is so easy to put on, and it lays already when you put it on. It is like putting on a hat. I hate to even say that because you know how sometimes they call bad wigs hair hats. I don't like it. But what I'm talking about is the ease of putting it on. It's crazy. Now what I usually do is I show you the inside and all that kind of stuff, and then I do this whole big thing, and then I put it on. I'm just gonna plop it on. I'm gonna show you. Start the clock. How easy it is to put this on. Well, don't stop the clock. Hold on. All right, this is fresh out the bag. I just took the net off, okay? You're gonna see how fast it takes for me to install this wig. Shock and amazement, okay? Okay, I'm ready to start the clock.
The distance between us. But what more can I do?
Time. Boom. Boom. Do you understand what I'm saying? Do you understand what I'm saying? It don't make no sense. Nothing in my life is as easy right now as it was putting on this wig. All you have to do is fluff it out. Look at that. Look at that. The only other wig I have in my house that is that easy to put on and be out the door is the other 3D dome cap wig I got. Now what I am going to focus the rest of the video on is just customizing this unit to fit me. Like I just noticed that my side part is on this side instead of this side, and I don't know how I feel about that. Look at this curl right here. This is adorable. So if you haven't seen my previous video about the other 3D dome cap wig that I have, now is when I'm going to explain to you what it's all about. Buckle up. Okay, I flipped her inside out so you can get a good view of the parting space on the wig. It's 8 by 6. So I will be changing my part. Around the perimeter of the wig from where the lace stops all the way to the other side, it has this silicone grip. Think of this like the wig band that you would wear when you wanted to keep your wig glueless. It just like grips the placement and it does not slip. It doesn't slip. I'm telling you, it don't slip. I already got one of these wigs and I'm wearing it to the ground. It comes with 3 combs for added security if you choose to wear them. If you don't want to wear combs, you got no need to wear combs because you did the ball cap method or you're wearing a wig cap like myself. Bam. Boom. Bippity boppity boo. So you don't have to worry about any combs digging into the side of your head if that is a problem. Hopefully y'all can see that, but on either side, it's already got this ear cut out. So you don't have to worry about trying to make sure that the ear flaps aren't sitting around here too snug and giving you a headache. Because I've had a pressure headache before due to a wig and it's nothing nice. And I'm very sorry for yelling at all those folks. And then my favorite part is the drawstring. This thing is super stretchy. It's got this stopper. Where it stops, it ain't going no further. Now that might get you in trouble. You have that too tight, you might get a headache, but that makes this thing so daggone secure. The knots already come pre-bleached and the front has been pre-plucked, styled. I mean, what is this curly Q? It's already cut nice, like come on. So like I said, there is really nothing left to do with this wig except to customize it, and that is completely up to you. So I got my water bottle, which I probably should fill up because this hair is thick, honey. It's 180% density. She's 14 inches long. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to style her up a little bit and then I'll be right back. definitely think that we're about there. Like I always say, I think I have a little bit more drying to go, but girl, the shine. Listen, when I first started my natural hair, Aussie Moist, this mousse, so I'm serious. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to remove this band, which I really put on just to kind of keep the wig in place. So I just want to break up the cast of that mousse a little bit. Girl, this is cute. It's giving me sportscaster, entertainment anchor woman. I think she's giving very much Michelle now. And these curls are so oinky boinky. I love it. Shake test. You ain't even got to cut lace. So if you wanted to, you could always pick her out at the roots for more volume, but I don't think we need any more. As a person who loves volume and loves big hair, this is big enough, I think.
You say
Super simple. Put this on your head, tighten the drawstring in the back, and you're ready to go. And she's not coming off. Where is she going? She's not going anywhere. And you're gonna look fabulous. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Thank you, OmgHerHair, for this. I'm gonna give you guys some more texture shots at the end of this video. But in the meantime, thank you guys for watching. All the information about this hair, as always, is gonna be in the description box below, and I will talk to you later. Bye!